Okay, here we are on the Scout again. I was going to work on the fuel system today, but it is too cold outside to even try to get it to run, and the heaters, the open flame heater I have is running way too much to be working with fuel in the garage. So, we're going to change gears and tackle, or try to tackle, this passenger side floor pan. It's horrible. Somebody's reinforced it. I don't know if I'll take all their work out, but I definitely will take some of it out. That seat mount has to go. We're going to do a different thing for the seats. But somebody put some real strong angle in around the corners and down this side and redid the whole foot area. So I might leave that stuff alone, but we're going to definitely cut out that hump and all the tin they got in there, and we'll see what's left of it when I get done. Play nice. This has been repaired twice before. There's 2 layers of floor pan here, plus the side reinforcements. Wow. One of those days. over here. Yeah, see? So this side, that had a purpose. So we'll have to build around that. Now we're going to have to look underneath and make sure that this isn't what they used to hold the transfer case in. That would be bad. But yeah, you can see this thick layer is over this thin layer. Somebody's built it. And here, you can see right here's a seam from an earlier repair, and then they put this big plate on over top of it. So it's looking like I'm gonna have to start all over. Of course. Somewhere in here is the frame rail. They put the first covering right up on top, right up to the frame rail. It's supposed to hover over it. Okay, this is probably going to take me a couple hours to figure out how I want to best fill these holes and what I want to do with what's existing there. So I'll be back in a couple of seconds. I'll do a little more cutting, squaring up, and it's probably where I'll have to leave off on this video, unfortunately. I really like to have a win and have something done, but it's been one of those days. One of those days. Once we start having one of those days, we might as well just go inside and relax, because nothing's good's gonna happen. You know, these days can be frustrating. That's no reason to go. Don't put completely on your project. I see people in the project, so that's not. That's why I like to take a little thing off at a time, not completely tear it down. If you're a professional, you don't see completely tear it down just for the speed of it. This is a hobby. It's supposed to be relaxing. Sometimes not so much, but it's supposed to be. I couldn't just leave it as a gigantic open hole like I was going to, so I started bending up a piece of sheet to get the rear part done. And that makes me happy enough to end today's video. So I wasn't going to do this at all until later on in the spring. I'm kind of glad I did get to it. And there'll be a lot of paint cleaning and welding from here, but you know what I feel about welding on video, so. But that will take care of that. And then I got to build a special little box around the fill plug for the transfer case, and then replace the rest of this. I'll probably take that on the next video, because I guess this cold front's here to stay for a while. And just so you know, it took me about 10 gallons of diesel to do this today. So that's how much it took to heat the garage. Just to do this. So everybody have a great week, and I'll be back next weekend with another video, either on the Scout or about something. Thanks a lot, guys.